Yes, good morning, dear colleagues. As the director of the GGOS Coordinating Office, I'm honored to address you at this IGS workshop on behalf of GGOS, so the Global Geodetic Observing System of the International Association of Geodesy. The International GNSS Service stands for Precise Positioning and Scientific Progress through International Cooperation. Its commitment to provide high-quality GNSS observation and product data has supported scientific research and numerous applications from navigation systems to climate monitoring. GGOS and IGS share a profound relationship. GGOS relies on the robust geodetic infrastructure and products developed, provided by the IGS and, of course, also from the other IAG services. They are foundational to our GGOS mission to monitor the Earth's system. By integrating the observational capabilities of the various IAG services, GGOS ensures the delivery of consistent and reliable geodetic data to the global community. Together, we enhance our understanding of global change and provide essential geodetic reference frames for Earth observation activities. On behalf of GGOS, I would like to acknowledge everyone who has contributed to the IGS over the past 30 years. Your dedication and hard work have been instrumental in the success and advancement on GNSS. As we reflect on the past 30 years, let's look also to the future with renewed enthusiasm. The discussions during this week will inspire innovative solutions and collaborations that will advance our field. Your expertise and commitment will continue to drive geodesy forward and contribute to a better understanding of our ever-changing planet. So let us continue to push the boundaries of geodetic science and its applications, fostering a more informed and sustainable world. I will close my short speech and welcome words with the slogan that let us advance geodesy together. Thank you.